In this very short video, I am going to show you something big and amazing recently happening in China when it comes to building supersized mega projects. Take a look at this. A world's first new generation 2,000-ton offshore wind farm installation vessel named Baitan. This was officially put into operation in Guangzhou City of South China's Guangdong province. And now here we have a dome that was placed atop the Taipingling Nuclear Plant Unit 2 in Huizhou on the coast of South China's Guangdong province, which marks the project entering the equipment installation phase. Another one, here we have the Lingdingyang Bridge, which is one of the key projects of the Shenzhen Junction Highway Link. And here is the central processing platform for the Kenli 6-1 oil field in North China's Bohai Sea, which has completed its float-over installation. It lays a solid foundation for increasing oil and gas production in China's largest crude oil production basin. Here is the construction work on the fourth pipeline of a mega power transmission project that transports natural gas from China's western regions to the country's east. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.